Hello everyone, my name is Michael Scott. I am 20 years old, currently living in Orlando, Florida. Earlier this year I finished serving 6 years in the United States Air Force as an Integrated Instrument Flight Control Systems Journeyman, or IIFCS for short. Though don't let that long duty title name deceive you, essentially what that meant was I was a glorified airplane mechanic. My job entailed working on most of the systems of the B-52 aircraft that gave the pilots any type of reading or indication, so indicators, gauges, things of that nature. While I was in the military, I decided to continue schooling on the side to essentially get me to the point that I am currently right now, which is my computer programming bachelor's. Now, some people may be curious why computer programming over some other career fields, and the reason for that is, as early as I can remember, I've loved playing video games. And due to that love for playing video games, I wanted to create video games to allow people to experience the same love and joy I experienced playing through video games myself over the years. That then brings to question why computer programming over video development. And my answer to that would be that video development is a far more narrow field in comparison to computer programming. And because of that, even though I may not be program video games at the start with my computer programming degree, I can still create databases or web pages or programs and things of that nature, so I have a lot of marketability. Now, I didn't get a chance to look at all of the Southwestern resources in the Southwestern tab, but I did get a chance to look at Knox. And from what I saw of Knox, it kind of reminds me of LinkedIn, where it essentially allows you to network with alumni or people in your career field to essentially give you more knowledge on things that you may find relevant in your career field or things that may be beneficial to you. So I ultimately think that that is a very beneficial tool that everyone should use. And if you haven't looked at it, I definitely recommend looking at it. I will be looking at it more in depth a little bit later myself, just to see what useful information it may have. But without further ado, I want to say good luck to everyone in this class, and hopefully we all complete this and get our degrees.